Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to speak to you about manifesting and how to manifest by using sound vibration. We're going to do an ah chant, and the power of manifesting with visualizations and being able to feel it in your body, seeing what you want, visualizing is really great. A lot of people have had success with that. But when you add a layer of sound vibration, which are ancient sounds proven to connect and open up chakras and connect to spirit and to the universe, it's kind of like supercharging your intention. So that's what we're going to do today. We're here on Maui, and enjoy the sounds of the ocean as we do the ah chant. Now, an ah chant is the sound of ah, which is the sound of creation. It's in all of the names of the creator, like God and Buddha, Krishna, Ra. It's always used as a sound to within the sound of description of God's name or creator's name. So we know we are co-creators in our realities, and we are creating constantly by our thoughts and our feelings and our ideas. So this is some way of kind of steering that creation. Now what you want to do is, just like most people have done, the Om chant. We're going to do one that's more like an ah, and you want to pull that feeling, that vibration, starting all the way, sitting up straight, starting from the root chakra, which is at the very base of like the sacrum basically, and coming all the way up the spinal column and out your third eye, which is right here. This is where we're going to be visualizing. Hold the vision of what you want to see, and use your ah chant. For me, I'm going to be visualizing good health. I've been struggling with some health issues since basically March. Who knows if it was COVID or something else, but it started in March, mid-March, and it's been an up and down situation. So I am chanting for good health, and I'm going to see myself strong, vibrant, healthy, the areas that have been giving me trouble, to be open and healthy, and visualize energy, feeling good, and the more you can kind of feel what you want in your body, the more it's going to work for you. So I'm going to do my ah chant, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you and how that looks and feels. And it's just a straight continuous ah, and of course breathing in and out as you're chanting, in between the chants, and really important to visualize and do that in your mind's eye here, and feel that vibration coming out this way, going out to the universe, telling creator, telling the universe, this is what I'm looking for, this is what I want, this is what I want to manifest, and you'll be surprised to see how quickly you will get your results. So here we go. Push through the whole ah, and breathe in, and feel that vibration coming out of your third eye. Breathing in through your belly, belly breath, and out. Visualizing what you want to see in your life. You are a co-creator of your reality and your life, what you are living. Remember that we are co-creators. You're powerful. As you do your chant, you will start to feel lighter. Kind of feel the energy rising up, rising up. You're gonna feel your head feeling a little different. You just want to ground yourself into the earth. Feel your spine and your sits bones, your body on the planet, sitting on Mother Earth, connected. Extending your neck up, your head up to the sky. Bringing that heaven energy in and down. Heaven energy. It's grounding down. And on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to open our eyes. That's a good start for a daily ritual of consciously co-creating your reality. And the more you practice, the better you'll become at the chant and projecting that out. It'll just feel like second nature to you. And I always tell people, be careful what you ask for. This is a powerful manifestation tool. You want to make sure that you are in a good place, in a good way, when you are asking what you're asking for. for the higher good of you and yourself and your family and all those around you, all beings around you, all the planet. Ask for it to be in good vibrations with everything else. You don't want to be asking for something that you regret later. So do it with positive intentions, and always ask, for your highest good. So thank you for joining me from Maui. So glad to spend some time with you today, and I hope that this manifestation meditation really helps you get what you desire in life, and you can create great things. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time.